Welcome to watching the Tyson video. Today we will show you how to make the plates. Okay, come. Hello. The first station, let's go to the cutting station. And in this place, this is the first station. We cut the moldings by the different size of the plate. The two longer one and the two shorter one. And this is the TSJ03, the cutting machines. This one can make easy to get the perfect cutting and won't be any shape. And after cutting the two sides, and then we need to, in left ruler, we need to adjust the left block to adjust the different lengths for the cuttings. Okay, later we'll finish the cuttings. Okay, now the cutting is finished. We go to the second station. Okay, come. This is the second station for the joint. We make them two moldings together to be a plate. Okay, let's see how it works. This is for the TSJ37, the automatic joint machine. For this joint machine, they will finish the corner for the joint in one time for one corners, and very durable and adjustable and easy for handle for the new framers to get the perfect corners. Now we'll see how fast it is. Okay, now this is one frame is already finished that, and let's see the four corners is no any space, easy to get the perfect corners for the frames. Okay, the second finish the lead to make the one frame to the ready frame, and the third one is go to the finish lead, put the glass and the pictures on that to make the ready frame for sale. Okay, come. This is the final station for make the hole and make the glass and also make the pictures inside. And here, make the hole inside, and later you can make the one standard on that. Easy, like this small frame, make the table frame to put it on the table, and then easy to sell. Okay, finish the make the hole, and then we use this iron standard to make it on that, and make it in the back side, and easy to standard on the table. Let's see. Okay, after making it inside, and then we take off this iron, and then the second step is use this the glass. You can make that. Also put the glass first, and then same like this is we make it as the backboard to make the pictures on it. Okay, now the pictures already on the backboard inside, and then to see the color and to make it use all the hook, the fixed point driver to lock the pictures in the frames. And these nailers, the advantage for these nailers is small noise and also very light. Only the 800 kg, 800 grams. Very simple. And now this one frame is already finished now. And now for the setting, only the one iron standards to make it in the back side. Okay, one product finished that. This is for the Tyson video to show you how to do this small frame. And the first station cutting, second station is for a joint, and the third station is for make the pictures on that, and also to if we want to hang it on the wall, make the hanger on it, or make the standards inside of that to be a table frame. That's all. This is for making a small frames. Okay. Thank you for your looking. 扫一下。